In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the power steering fluid level in a 2007 to 2014 Ford Expedition with a 5.4 motor in it. Didn't change a whole lot on these trucks in those year ranges, so it should be around the same location, but I'll show you what the procedure is. And one thing kind of threw me off when I checked it a minute ago, so I figured I'd do a video on it real quick, kind of got a laugh out of it, so I'll show you what that's all about. But before I begin on this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, it'd help us out a ton. If you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll reply back to them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. Let's get going on this. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to come around to the driver's side and pop the hood. Here's the hood release right here. It should be near where your feet go on the driver's side. So you're going to walk around to the front, and the hood latch is right here. You got to kind of put your finger in it, move it to the left, and pop the hood up. Can be a little bit of a pain. So right here, now this is a 2012 Expedition. So right here is where your power steering fluid reservoir should be. So I've been doing this for a while. So the first thing you want to do. So the first thing that they did is they took the cover off, because there's usually like a little dipstick in here, and there's no dipstick on this thing. So it's like, what the heck? So on these, there's a sight glass on the side right there, so if you miss it, or if you do take the cover off and you're like, where the heck is the dipstick, there's a sight glass right here. If it's dirty, kind of wipe your finger on it or a cloth, and there is, like you'll see right on it, there's a couple lines. There's a max and a minimum line. Just make sure that the fluid level is between those lines. So if you need to add to it, if you're having a hard time seeing the level, what you can do more than likely is take like a light like this, shine it into there, and you should be able to see like the level down there. Mine is right up there. So if you need to top it off, go to the auto parts store, get the correct brake fluid, and keep your eye on that sight glass and like slowly add it, because it's not going to take a whole lot to bring the level up more than likely, unless it's empty. And once it gets to that maximum line, you should be good to go. Put your cover up back on it and stuff. So it's kind of an easy one, but the first time I did it, I was like, where the heck did the dipstick go? Like, you've got to be kidding me. Did it snap off in there? So there's a sight glass. Just wanted to make you aware of that in case you're scratching your head. But yeah, it's right on the side. So hope the video helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys.